Out here at the lake today, and I got a jet ski that needs a battery, and TYKOOL sent me this very cool option here, lithium ion phosphate lithium battery. So this here has got the same power you need for PowerSports motors for starting up, but with a lithium battery, so it's going to last a long time. These come with a 12-month warranty, and you're going to find that they're a direct replacement for a lot of the common sizes for motorcycles and ATVs, UTVs, and jet skis. So today I'm going to be installing it in a jet ski. It's a direct replacement for this YTX20L, which is what this particular unit takes. It's a Kawasaki. So let's show you what they give you in the box. You're going to get a really detailed user guide. It's going to talk to you about the battery and how to maintain the longevity of it for the longest time possible. You're also going to want to know that you're going to need a lithium charger for these. Don't use a standard trickle charger or sealed lead acid battery charger. You're going to use a lithium charger because it does a higher voltage. It'll come in at like 14.6 to bring the charge a little bit higher, and that's how these work. This is very nice. It's very clearly marked. You've got your plus and your minus. You've got blocks that you can thread screws into the top or to the side, so whatever's easiest for you on your equipment. And it's super lightweight. I mean, I'm holding this thing with 2 fingers, and you can't do that with a lead acid battery, so what a difference. It weighs nothing. And then you push the button here on the top, and you're going to see your voltage. So this is coming straight out of the box. Might be a little hard to see on the camera, but it's showing me a 13.3 right now for the voltage. So you're going to be able to watch that as that adjusts, as it sits, and as you charge it back up, you're going to be able to see that charge go from down to the low 12s up to 14 and still be in range. You'll start your machine. Let's get this loaded in my jet ski and fire it up and see how it does. And here we've got our new battery from TYKOOL. Go ahead and put that in. All right, I got the new battery screwed in and tied down. See, I got the negative and the positive both attached up, and then I got my 2 straps down the middle that pin it down so that the battery doesn't move while we're driving this jet ski at high speeds here. Let's crank it up and see how it does. All right, looks like we got good charge. Let's see if it'll crank. Very nice. Nice, quick, crisp start. That's just what we're looking for with a brand new lithium iron phosphate battery. So yeah, definitely pleased with this. I'd say for your PowerSports equipment and something that sits for a while like this does here on the stock in the winter, you definitely want to have lithium batteries because they're going to last you probably 10 years. Lots of charges and recharges on those, and a lot less weight in the machine, and easy to use. So hope that's helpful. Learn a little bit more about that lithium iron phosphate battery. Hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.